Today we're reviewing stock number 213432 on a 2015 Chevy Malibu, and our exterior color is black. Interior options include power windows, locks and mirrors, cloth seats, light controls, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, cruise control, hands-free communication and audio controls, AM/FM radio, climate control with AC, and our interior color is gray. Interior options include alloy wheels, remote trunk release, more cargo space. Rear options include power windows, 60/40 split bench seats, center armrest and cup holders. You can fold the seats down for more storage space. Once again, we're viewing stock number 213432 on a 2015 Chevy Malibu, and our exterior color is black.